just an introduction before we blow your mind.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sensational Locks, and I am back bringing y'all a quick video on lock repair. As you can see, this client's trouble area is primarily in the front of her hair. She also has some breakage around the nape of her neck, but overall, the rest of her hair is very healthy and extremely full. So I want y'all to check out this transformation as I give you my thoughts on lock repair. So first things first, when we talk about lock repair, you have to identify what's causing the problem. There is always some underlying problem. And once you find that root cause, it's going to save you a lot of frustration. Also, you need to give yourself some time to heal. That means stop putting extra tension on your hair and your scalp. Stop using products that you don't know what's in them. I mean, they sneak alcohol and everything. I recommend you keep it, just as natural as possible. I'll link my video up above for my tips of growing natural hair, and that should help out a lot in this situation. But once you know what's going on, then you can start on repairs. So for her repairs, I combined a few of the locks. I cut the extra lock from some of her two-headed dragons, and I attached it in areas that were long enough. And then we set expectations for the future. I recommend a tension-free cover-up style for her, or like maybe loose but secure head wraps, just to allow her hair some more time to grow in those trouble areas so that we can do repairs in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you are subscribed to that channel, and I want to get a discussion popping in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share this video. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.